Hi everyone. We'll be starting in a while. We'll give it around 5 to 7 minutes, and then we can get started with the session. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. Everyone, please mute yourself.
Greetings. I believe I have one of the greatest opportunities for you guys to get your hands on. And no, it's not just a regular internship. No, it's not just a regular opportunity. And no, it's not just a normal club for you guys to join at SVIS. This is about joining a community that believes in changing the world. This is about joining a community that strongly believes in the greater good of humanity.
With the one and only Saf Sas. Presenting SAFSAS.SVIS, where we at the Environmental Club of SVIS will work closely with SAFSAS, aiming for environmental governance through active participation and projects, because it is our individual and collective responsibility to sustain and preserve the world where we live. It's a community which aims to work unitedly with one another. It's a community which wants to bring a change to the world. It's a community which will allow you to make your own network of people.
But wait, there is a catch. We only have unlimited seats with us for you.
Only 12 applicants out of the hundreds would be given this golden opportunity to lead as an environmental change maker.
The question is, why should you join the Environmental Club?
SAFSAS truly believes in saving the environment and helping its young change makers develop skill sets for life. Skills such as coordination, communication, and team management, all while you're working on projects with SAFSAS. And your work does not only get validated with certificates and customers' letter of recommendations, you also enjoy various benefits such as dinner nights, where we call students from all around the world from top universities such as Harvard and MIT to talk to you guys about how they got into their dream university and how you can too.
The oceans are swelling, the glaciers are crying, the mountains are burning, and we are just silent. Every single day, we come across thousands of social media posts of corals choking on plastic, forest fires, deforestation. We just post it on our stories and then we don't care. We just ignore it. And due to this ignorance, humanity is facing one of the biggest crises it has ever come across. Because of this ignorance, climate is changing, animals are dying, there are hurricanes, there are floods, there are droughts, islands are submerging, glaciers are melting. But we don't care. Because why should we? Why should we care about the only planet that we have, about the world that we live in? Why should we care?
Well, all you have to do is join us in the orientation this Wednesday, that is the 9th of June at 2 pm, and we will help you change the world.
All right. We'll wait just a few more minutes. I think everyone's still joining right now. And we'll wait for 3-4 minutes more. And then we'll get started with the main event. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.
Greetings. I believe I have one of the greatest opportunities for you guys to get your hands on. And no, it's not just a regular internship. No, it's not just a regular opportunity. And no, it's not just a normal club for you guys to join at SVIS. This is about joining a community that believes in changing the world. This is about joining a community that strongly believes in the greater good of humanity.
With the one and only SAFSAS.
Presenting SAFSAS.SVIS, where we at the Environmental Club of SVIS will work closely with SAFSAS, aiming for environmental governance through active participation and projects, because it is our individual and collective responsibility to sustain and preserve the world where we live. It's a community which aims to work unitedly with one another. It's a community which wants to bring a change to the world. It's a community which will allow you to make your own network of people.
But wait, there is a catch. We only have unlimited seats with us, for you.
Only 12 applicants out of the hundreds would be given this golden opportunity to lead as an environmental change maker.
The question is, why should you join the Environmental Club?
SAFSAS truly believes in saving the environment and helping its young change makers develop skill sets for life. Skills such as coordination, communication, and team management, all while you're working on projects with SAFSAS. And your work does not only get validated with certificates and customers' letter of recommendations, you also enjoy various benefits such as dinner nights, where we call students from all around the world from top universities such as Harvard and MIT to talk to you guys about how they got into their dream university and how you can too.
The oceans are swelling, the glaciers are crying, the mountains are burning, and we are just silent. Every single day, we come across thousands of social media posts of corals choking on plastic, forest fires, deforestation. We just post it on our stories and then we don't care. We just ignore it. And due to this ignorance, humanity is facing one of the biggest crises it has ever come across. Because of this ignorance, climate is changing, animals are dying, there are hurricanes, there are floods, there are droughts, islands are submerging, glaciers are melting. But we don't care. Because why should we? Why should we care about the only planet that we have, about the world that we live in? Why should we care?
Well, all you have to do is join us in the orientation this Wednesday, that is the 9th of June at 2 p.m. and we will help you change the world.
All right. Thank you guys for staying with us and waiting for other people to join in. We'll get started right away. My name is Akshay Singh. I am the CEO and founder of this environmental conservation organization, which is called SAFSAS. We are collaborating with your school and opening a club, a sub-organization under SAFSAS, and collaborating and working with your school, Sri Venkateshwar International School, and giving you all invaluable opportunities. You can call them internships, you can call them work experience opportunities and growth opportunities that will benefit you a lot. So without further ado, I'll play a video so that you can get to know about the past projects that we've done, the credibility of the organization, and then I can get started right away with the presentation that we have for all of you guys, so that you can know a little about what we want from you guys, what we're expecting, what we do at SAFSAS. Thank you. I'll share the video.
With Diwali around the corner, expect SAFSAS to inspire. If you care about the environment, join me in my #SAFSAS.
All the students of Standard.
Spread green through Figme is donated to a lot, taking away the future in front of. SOPs 1 to the coronavirus relief. Are you up for a challenge? Planting the seed or cutting the plant stem very easily.
Estimated soon causes also height suffering from
मेरा छोटा जिना बच्चा है
मेरे हस्बैंड को अस्थमा से पड़ा है सारे बुजुर्गों को
मैं अगली बार वोट नहीं देना जे प्रचुर
All right. Awesome. Are you guys able to hear me? Anyone can unmute and tell me.
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, sure. Perfect. So we'll get started right away. I hope you guys can see the screen. I'll tell you a little about what SAFSAS is, what we're trying to do at your school, and you'll get to know everything you need to know about wanting to join the organization. So SAFSAS is an environmental conservation organization. We aim to provide an awareness and knowledge sharing platform to school students with the aim of promoting environmental governance and sustainability through your participation. So the students' participation. Our main agenda is to provide a platform to all of you, students who want to change but don't have a platform to create that change. So we aim to provide that platform to you guys so that it can be, you know, a platform where everyone can have a voice. You can create a change, and we are wanting to build a whole community of change makers, like many people who join in together on the platform and build a whole community. So in the past, as you saw in the video, we've done a lot of projects. We've had over 10 plus collaborations. We've done many projects. We've had many donations. We've grown a lot of trees. We are a 700 strong online community right now. We've been featured in some of the best and top newspaper dailies of India, the Hindu, Times of India, India Times, and we're an ever-growing organization. So what are we offering you guys? We guys are offering you, SAFSAS as a team is offering you an opportunity, not only an internship opportunity, it is going to be an opportunity through which you grow. We want to help you grow as a person. We want to provide you work experience. We want to provide you opportunities, and we want to do it in the simplest way possible so that you guys have to do less work and gain a lot of benefits through the work that you're doing. Many would call it an internship, but we say that internship is an understatement, and it is actually we're making you a part of the organization, and we're making you a permanent member of a community. And we'll be talking about that later. Once you join safsas.svis, you will become a part of a permanent community that will keep on growing. And that is very beneficial for all of you guys. So we'll be talking about all of that later. Now, what have we done with the collaboration at Sri Venkateswar International School, your school? The Sri Venkateswar International School will be opening an environmental club in your school, which will be called safsas.svis. Why? Because the environmental governing club will be affiliated to SAFSAS. So what, like you can see at the logo, you'll be affiliated with SAFSAS, but the brain of the organization, the people who will be working at SAFSAS.svis, which is the environmental governing club, are the students of Sri Venkateswar International School, you guys. So I'll be going over the procedure of what will be expected out of you guys, what will you be participating in, what will you be guys be doing, and what are the benefits that you will get. Okay, So basically, first things first, it's an environmental governing club, and it will work in and for the school's environmental protection because it is a club in the school. You can also call it as a sub-organization of SAFSAS, and all the work that you will be doing, वो सब कुछ होगा स्कूल में एंड आसपास स्कूल के, but you will be credited to a main and a professional organization. What this does is, first of all, it makes your work much easier because other internships, other opportunities, बहुत बार ऐसे होते हैं, they call you to a far away place, you have to work in a setting that is not in your comfort zone. But here we are doing all of that in your school, so it will be easier, it will be more efficient, and you have to go nowhere to do everything that you will be doing. And जो भी आप काम स्कूल में भी करोगे, उस सब का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड जो क्रेडिट मिलेगा, यू विल गेट दैट फ्रॉम अ प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो दैट एक्चुअली लिफ्ट्स इट अप टू अनदर लेवल because the certificates that you will be getting, the badges that you will be getting, all of them will be by a professional organization. And whatever college or whatever professional company in the future you show this work experience to, they will be like, yeah, they have worked in a professional organization, and that is much more beneficial. And ये सब कैसे होगा? You'll only be working in your school, around school. Right now it's going to be online, of course. So like I said, SAFSAS.SVIS will have two platforms. One will be an offline platform and the other will be an online platform. ऑफलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो भी आप करोगे स्कूल में जो होना था, दैट इज राइट नाउ सस्पेंडेड ड्यू टू COVID-19, बट वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन द ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म एज वेल, बिकॉज वी बिलीव, अनलाइक मेनी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, that I think after this COVID scenario, all of us have been very comfortable in going online, and we have shifted a lot of work online. And online भी काम हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है that we have to stop the online work. There's a lot of opportunities that can be created for all of you at the online platform as well. The online platform will be all the communication related to the online platform will be conducting on Discord only. Discord is a community server platform where you can communicate with others, you can participate in conversations, if many of you guys don't know about it. Moving on, okay. Now online and offline platform में काम क्या होगा? Before that, you can see the offline platforms that we have done. Some of them, like in the middle column, you can see how we've conducted plantation drives. We have done some walkathons, protests, campaigns. Under that, other few plantation drives, and under that you can see one of our team members interviewing a person in the market. Under that, we were shooting for a video that we were making for SAFSAS. So there's a lot of flexibility in whatever we do offline, but everything that we do is something so significant that it will benefit you in one way or another. जब भी आप resume में ये चीज डालोगे that you have done these offline events, it will benefit you. So the environmental governing club will host a number of events in and around school. Like we host all of these events. Now all the students that we'll be taking from your school, you guys will be responsible for hosting all of that. And we will be mentoring you through the whole process. So all these events include, you will be conducting drives, competitions, campaigns, a lot of plantation drives, cleanliness drives, a lot of other events that you will be hosting. And these events will be hosted by a co-president committee. Now, what does that mean? So, aapke school se, let's say, around 100 students apply, let's say. So, out of those 100 students, some of you guys will be co-presidents. The best of the best will be co-presidents, and that will be 12 in number. Now, co-presidents are the main members of the organization. This is where all of you should aim at. जो भी co-presidents होंगे, they will be given maximum benefits. They will be deriving a lot, and they will also have a lot more work to do compared to the other part of the organization, which is SAFSAS. एक co-president हो गया. The other people who won't be selected as the 12 co-presidents, they will be working as volunteers. Now, volunteers का एक advantage है that they are not conditioned to do anything. They are volunteers, and they will be motivated to participate in all the events that will be hosted by the co-president committee. And you won't have any conditions on you कि आपको ये सब करना है, ये सब करना है. It's very flexible as a volunteer, and you will still derive a lot of benefits as a volunteer. So that is one point to note. So what in brief, what I said right now is SAFSAS.SVIS में दो type of committees होगी. One will be a co-president committee, which will be the main members of the organization. यहाँ पे जो भी co-presidents होंगे, they will be responsible for hosting all of these events. You will be leading all of these events. The other part are volunteers. Volunteers will be participating in all of these events, and you will have less conditions on you as you're not the leaders of the organization. You are the members and participators of the in the organization in all of the events. Now offline platform ka to ho gaya. Online platform pe what will you guys be responsible for doing? Apart from the offline events, the co-president committee will be responsible for handling social media platforms, which will be called SAFSAS.SVIS. So on these platforms, let's say the co-president committee has made an Instagram page of SAFSAS.SVIS. Now on this page, all co-presidents will be responsible for making content like educational videos, reels, news posts, blogs and articles, digital art, artwork. You can also design your own SAFSAS.SVIS website. So there are a lot of opportunities available for creating content on the online platform. And also you as co-presidents, whoever opts for being a co-president will be responsible for conducting a few online events also on the social media platforms. So on the online platform, all the 12 co-presidents will be working in different departments. Let's say I chose to work in the videos department. So I will have the work of making videos and submitting it to the social media manager, who is also a co-president, and the social media manager will be handling all the posting and all of that. So there's plenty of opportunities available. It might sound a little confusing to you guys, but it will become a lot easier when you will be applying, and I will tell you how to apply. Okay, moving on. Now दो type के लोग थे.
So actually in our school we are already in a club. So do we have two clubs?
What I'll say is we can wait until the presentation is over and then I can take all of the doubts. Is that fine?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, we'll answer all the questions later. Please let Akshay continue.
Yeah. Okay. So as I said, two type of log hain, co-presidents and volunteers. Now, as co-presidents are the main members, benefits to zyada milenge co-presidents ko, because co-presidents ka kaam zyada hoga, they will have to gain more out of it, and we will be providing more benefits to co-presidents. Volunteers ko bhi benefits milenge, but they will be a little less than the co-presidents because volunteers are not the main leaders of the organization, they are participators. So if you are interested in becoming a co-president, we will be telling you all the benefits that you will be getting. Okay, and they are a lot. So these are a few benefits of the many more that you will be getting. I'll be going through each of them. So certificates of appreciation and badges. You will be getting, all the co-presidents will be getting certificates of appreciation and badges by the professional organization SAFSAS. You will be getting a grant platform, which is ready-made online and offline. We'll be mentoring you through the whole way. Online platform will be handled on Discord, and it's a whole community. Let me tell you, we already have 2 schools who are on the online platform, and we are already 120 people strong on our Discord server. So ऐसे grow करती जाएगी. You guys will already be given a ready-made online platform to work on. You will be given an opportunity. Now, what does that mean? If you're being an exceptional co-president, आपका काम बहुत अच्छा है. Whatever you're doing is consistent, it's creative, it's very good. We at SAFSAS will be promoting you from SAFSAS.SVIS to SAFSAS, the main organization. Okay. Fourth point, it's gonna give you a very strong background. So all the events that that SAFSAS.SVIS will conduct, walkathons, drives, events, ये सब कुछ colleges को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, trust me. Whatever, even if colleges and even professional companies, any other organization that you might want to participate in the future, they value all these protests, drives, campaigns, participating in all of these things a lot. And imagine as a co-president, if you're not only participating in this event, you're hosting this event. You're the reason that the event is possible. So colleges love that, absolutely. And In fact, I recently got admitted to the world's #1 public university, which is called the University of California, Los Angeles. It is the world's #1 public university. And साथ साथ में मैंने जो भी walkathons करे हैं, drives करे हैं, ये सब कुछ, that was a big factor in me getting into UCLA. So imagine the amount of benefits that you will be getting out of doing whatever you will be doing here. Number 5, you will be gaining invaluable experience. Of course, if you're working in a professional organization, you will be gaining invaluable skills like leadership, communication. We'll be having frequent meetings where we will be talking to each other. We will be giving you mentorship. So all of that. Working for a cause. Of course, whatever field you go to, if you're working towards making Earth a better place, everyone is going to appreciate that. So you're working for a cause, which is very important. Then number 7 is exponential growth. SAFSAS is a growing organization. We will be growing rapidly throughout, and every growth opportunity that we get, you guys will be benefiting from that. Of course, if we get more and more community members, if we get more people to participate, you guys will be able to say that you're a part of a very highly growing movement conducted by an organization you're a part of, which is very important. Number 8 and 9, of course, this organization is different. It is run by students. And I personally was in your place a few years ago. I recently got admitted to college, but even I know what opportunities you guys would like in school, and we are ready to give all of that to you. We are school students who were in your place right now, and we understand you better than anyone else. So you should keep that in mind. Number 9 is mentorship. As I said, we will be mentoring you through the whole process. Next page is called the GOAT benefit. I call it that because it is the greatest of all time benefit. And this benefit, if you guys use correctly, it can actually give you such an upper hand over other students. You cannot believe it. It is an invaluable resource that we will be talking about, which is called, hold on. Yeah, which is called dinner night. Ab dinner night kya hota hai? Dinner night is that each co-president, the 12 co-presidents will be invited to a special virtual dinner night. And this will be joined by some of the most successful individuals who were selected by the best universities in the world and India. I'm talking about UCLA, MIT, Harvard, all the Ivies. We'll try to get all of those individuals to talk to you personally. And what you will be able to do in these events, you will be able to talk about anything ranging from your experiences, your stories, your future endeavors, anything that you're interested in, you can talk about it to them, and you can get to know their own stories. You can get to know tips and tricks, advices from them, which will benefit you greatly. Honestly, this resource that we're providing to you, it can be so beneficial to you if you use it correctly. I honestly wish I had got such an opportunity when I was in class 9th or 10th. But it shows to say that it is a very good opportunity if you guys would like to participate in that. And right now, when you saw these benefits, you will realize that even though we are an environmental organization, we are providing opportunities which are student-centric. हम जो भी opportunities आपको दे रहे हैं, they will benefit you in a way that not only is restricted to the environment, they will benefit you as a growing person, and they will give many experiences and opportunities to you that anyone would appreciate. Okay. Now, benefits of becoming a volunteer. Co-president ki baat ho gayi. If you're a co-president, then fantastic, you're getting all of those benefits. Volunteers will be encouraged to participate in events that the co-president committee will be organizing. Hold on. Co-president committee will be organizing, and this will boost your student resume, and colleges love all these participations also, as I said. So there's namely a few benefits that you will be getting, not only restricted to this. All the benefits will be getting certificates of appreciation. You will be part of a permanent community, which will be called a SAF World Community, where you will be able to build networks. You will be working for a cause. Of course, as I said in the co-president benefits, working for a cause is highly appreciated by everyone, and you will get a chance to become a co-president. Now, here's the thing to know. All the co-presidents that will be working, they will be restricted by a few requisites that they will be restricted by. अगर वो लोग इन conditions, इन requisites को पूरा नहीं कर पाए, they will have to be terminated out of the organization. And all the volunteers who are very good at what they're doing, they will be given a chance to become a co-president. So even if you become a volunteer, you have not lost the opportunity to still become a co-president. So that's something to note. And as a volunteer, all these benefits that we are giving to you, becoming a part of a community, working for a cause, it is all for free. We are not asking any anything from you. It does not ask any requisites from you. All we need is your enthusiasm and active participation. All right. Okay, moving on. Co-presidents के जैसे मैंने बोला requisites होंगे कुछ, but ये requisites हमने इतने low रखे हैं because we want you guys to benefit out of it. We don't want to terminate all of you. So we have kept the requisites fairly low. Benefits के सामने तो requisites समझ लो कुछ है ही नहीं. So requisites, we have 2 requisites. Number 1 requisite is that all the events that we communicate to you, let's say we told you that you have to conduct a plantation drive, and we'll be mentoring you through that plantation drive. You have to be successful at conducting that plantation drive as co-presidents. Otherwise, if the co-presidents, Ananya, you're unmuted, so maybe mute yourself, please. Anyway, okay, so that is one requisite to conduct all the events that we tell you guys. Number 2 is, let's say you're a co-president in the blog department. You have to write blogs. Okay, so you will have a requisite of writing at least 2 blogs per month. Let's say you're a person, a co-president working in the videos department. You will have a requisite of making 1 video per month. So you can see how less these requisites are. Making a video per month or making 2 blogs per month is not a big deal at all. And for all the benefits you're getting, I say go for it. Yeah. So how to apply? After all of this, we have to know how we can apply for co-presidents or volunteers. You will be sent an interactive application form to apply for co-presidents or volunteers. I will be joining that in the chat section also, and it will be, the interactive application form will be up on our Instagram site also. It will be up on our website also, so you can experiment a little bit and you can apply right away. Okay, so the SAF World community that I was talking about. So this is important to know because most internships or organizations or companies, what they do is you work for a certain period of time and then you leave, and then it's, no network is being built. But here we believe that once you come to SAFSAS, once you join safsas.svis, you will become a permanent member of our community. Even after you leave safsas.svis, even after you join college, even after you leave college, you will still be a part of our permanent community. And let's say that you were in class 11th, you're stepping down as co-president next year. So you will still get the benefit of staying in that community. And this holds so much importance because not many people tell us, and we come to realize very late, but एक network बनाना ना बहुत important है. Making a network with people, knowing more and more people is very important because you don't know where that person can help you, where that person will come to your advantage. So we are going to help you build that network. All right, fine. That is an introduction that you guys needed to know about SAFSAS. We can't wait to breathe SAFSAS with safsas.svis, honestly. And we can't wait to welcome you all to our permanent community. I say, even if you don't, are not very ecstatic about this opportunity, that is all right. Apply for volunteer. You're getting these benefits for free. If you're very excited about it, apply for co-president. Get that position. Get to know more people, more students from around the world. Take advices from them. It is an invaluable opportunity that you won't get anywhere else. So I say go for it. I say apply.
Actually, if I could jump in a bit.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Guys, so hello, my name is Arjun Garg. I'm currently a student, possibly going to pass out if I pass in my exams, if that's going to happen. So, okay, this opportunity, I'm telling you, it's very exciting. And it's not because this is an environment club or it's blah, 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 blah. The thing is that it is very student centric. And what it means is that we are working for your advantage. You're working for the environment, but what we are presenting to you is about certificates, letter of recommendations, and all of this service that you guys are going to do for the world, which is going to get in your college application. And admissions officers are going to look at this and they're going to say, okay, this person, he has done something. He has done to actually do a change. If you're volunteering, they know you're not getting much, but you're doing something for making a change, for changing the world. And that is what admissions officers are looking for. When you look at acceptance rates at Harvard, when they're going to 2% or 3%, that is 2 applicants out of 100. Can you imagine 2 applicants out of 100? And for international students, that's even more competitive. So what are they looking for? They're looking for people like you who are here to make a change. And we at SAFSAS really believe in that. And that is why we also have dinner nights where we are bringing these people. We might even bring admissions officers, and we are bringing students from all of these different backgrounds, and not just Harvard and MIT and all of these American colleges. We're also bringing people from India, from IIT, from IIM, on people from Sukhdev, these people who know, they've cracked the admissions process, they know how it works. And you guys, you're completely clueless. You're like, okay, bhaiya ne bol diya, chalo ye meeting attend kar lete, bhaiya ne bol diya, chalo ye meeting attend kar lete. This is not about SAFSAS. SAFSAS is really focused on you. और हमारा जो volunteer community है वो भी बहुत होता है. अभी हमने अपने देखा होगा World Environment Day पे we did a lot of challenges. We excite the community. We actually do something about it. We're really passionate about what we do, and we guys want you with us because we really think that we can help you. हमको पैसे तो मिल नहीं रहे. We're here because we really want to help. हमें ऐसा कुछ भी monetary benefit तो मिल नहीं रहा, या हमको कुछ personal help मिल रही हो, because we're already in college. हमको ये help नहीं करेगा. We're here to help you guys because we want to create a real impact in the world, and we are here to change your lives. तो SAFSAS जो है application forms खुल गए हैं, इनको please भरो. 6 to 12 जो है volunteer भी कर सकते हो, and if you are not busy and you can do something 9 to 12, तुम्हें आज forms मिलेंगे WhatsApp group पे. Please fill them out. Please tell your friends to fill them out because we want to create a change. And a future में when we are exponentially growing, and जब ये द्वारका के schools, दिल्ली के schools और सभी आ जाएंगे, जब हम events रखा करेंगे, तुम guys को हम stage पे बुलाएंगे for public speaking, for actually talking about what you want to do. और अब मैं क्वेश्चंस देख रहा हूँ, like how to participate and all of that. हम अभी applications form भेज देंगे. You can volunteer, you can become a co-president. Co-president सिर्फ 12 बनेंगे, so it's very very competitive. And जब भी तो ये cream बच्चे हैं, these people are actually the ones who get into these top colleges because they've distinguished themselves. They put in the work in the application, and we really want to see you put in the work. And yeah, I'm just really excited. Akshay, you can take over from now. And yeah.
Okay, great. That was awesome, Arjun. I think I completely agree with Arjun. We've already got into our colleges. We don't need to do any of this for our benefit. All we're doing is we're helping you gain some experience and get into those colleges. So that is something to note. I can take any questions that any of you guys have, if that's okay. Yeah, Anvi, go
Hi,
ahead.
actually I'm from class 8 and I have a doubt that can the co-presidents be from 6 to 8 or it's just for 9 to 12?
So right now it's from 9 to 12 only because we want to give the most optimum opportunities to those people who are nearer to their college applications, who are nearer to that stage. But it's okay if you apply for volunteer. We'll be doing this every year. We'll be making a new co-president committee every year. So if you apply for volunteer this year, you'll be getting that benefit. You'll be getting to say that you applied to be a volunteer last year and you want to be promoted to co-president. So you'll get there eventually and you'll get to that state eventually. But right now we're limited to co-presidents from 9 to 11 to lead the movement.
Okay.
And
excuse me,
yeah.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Could you please tell your Discord server for SAFSAS?
Yeah, I'll just put it in the chat box. Okay. And before actually joining
Guys,
this,
don't worry, we'll be sending a link tree. Just me, there will be all the links.
Everything.
It will,
Yeah,
you'll
that's
get
right.
it on your class groups. Don't worry, you'll get everything there.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you so much.
once you register, also once you apply, all of you will be sent an email which will have all the details of what your responsibilities are, how you can join the Discord server. सब कुछ वहाँ पे होगा, so you will be well informed with it. Yeah, next question. Another thing to note is that we are keeping the application deadline as Sunday, which is the 13th, Sunday the 13th, 11:59 p.m. So be sure to apply before that. And yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mhm.
have a doubt.
Yeah.
So there are any two different forms for volunteer registration and co-presidents?
नहीं, एक बार आप ये वाला जो आपको लिंक भेजा जाएगा ना, उसके अंदर व्हेन यू विल गो, यू इट्स एन इंटरैक्टिव फॉर्म एक्चुअली. व्हाटएवर स्टेज यू विल बी एट, you will get to know everything about that stage. वहां पे आप चूज कर सकते हो if you want to go for co-president or volunteer. You will be led to another form which will take all of your details, which will ask you a few questions. Application form का काम है that we want to get to know all of you, and we want to make a good choice in selecting a co-president committee. And volunteers and co-presidents दोनों के application उसके अंदर ही होंगे, so don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir,
Yeah.
sir, what is meaning of volunteer?
दो तरह के लोग हैं, ये समझ आया. There's co-presidents and volunteers. Volunteers
Okay.
will be participating in all of the events that the co-presidents will be organizing. So you will be a part of safsas.svis as a volunteer. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uday, you can go ahead.
Yeah, sir, I was asking, that so like if we are doing a club like the normal club like theater club or the music club, so do we have to leave that to have
No.
to join
No,
this
no.
club?
You can join 10 more clubs if you want. That's all right. There is no requirement of leaving any other club. Yeah, you can join SAFSAS as it is.
Thank you.
Yeah. Rashi, you can go ahead.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, I want to ask.
आप म्यूट हो गए.
Oh, sir, I was asking. Sir, आपने बताया कि ये जो क्लब है, तो सर तो हमारे पास ना एक और भी क्लब है, इससे उन्होंने पूछा. तो सर हम दो क्लब का कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? और सर इसमें किस क्लब में लाइक लिटरली इसमें होता क्या है? मुझे इतना समझ नहीं आया जो आपने अभी
ठीक है.
बताया.
सो बेसिकली पहले आपका ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करता हूँ कि आप मैनेज कैसे करोगे. नाउ आप कौन सी क्लास में, पहले ये बताओ.
सर और रजिस्टर कैसे करना है?
ठीक है, बताता हूँ.
She's an
So,
eighth.
okay. So right now, first of all, if you feel that you don't have enough time to commit to a lot of organizations, first analyze your priority. So let's say कि आपको theater club ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है than joining this club. That's all right. Okay, you can join that theater club and you can become a volunteer at SAFSAS. Volunteers का advantage ये है that you don't have to condition yourself to participating in a lot of things. You are free to participate on your choice. You're free to be flexible about it. अगर आपको फील हो रहा है कि आपके 2-3 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, जिस 2-3 क्लब्स हैं जिसका आप पार्ट हो, दैट्स ऑल राइट. आप वॉलंटियर्स की तरह वो हो सकते हो, पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो.
So actually, I didn't know about it. Actually, my friend gave a link, so I joined. What is it all about?
देखो, so quickly I'll tell. We're opening a club called safsas.svis at your school. अच्छा, every detail you will be getting to know in the interactive application form only. वहाँ पे आपको सब समझ आ जाएगा when you start filling that application form. But in short, we're opening an environmental club in your school, safsas.svis. You will be either participating as a co-president or a volunteer. Co-presidents will be leading that that sub-organization, or you can call that a safsas.svis school chapter, and the volunteers will be participating in all of the events that will be conducting in the environmental club. This is all that you need to know if you want to participate. We're going to give you a lot of opportunities. So I say, even if you don't know anything about whatever I just said, मैंने जो भी बोला समझ नहीं आया, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Go and just open the application form. आपको लिंक भेजा जाएगा, आप एक बार खोल लोगे, so आपको खुद समझ आ जाएगा कहाँ पे क्या है, कैसे करना है. Okay. Yeah, I can see a lot of doubts. Well, there you can. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you can leave. Whoever is done can leave. Sure.
Will being a volunteer help us in our future?
100%. हमने the 2 positions that we're having, co-presidents and volunteers, both of them will be helping you 100%. Like Arjun said, even if you're becoming a volunteer, you're still participating in a lot of movements that are happening. So that will 100% benefit you when the admissions officer will be seeing your application. If they see that you participate in a cleanliness drive, a plantation drive, you're a member of an organization, you're participating in a lot of events that are happening, you're making some content, definitely helpful. Whatever you do at SAFSAS is aimed to benefit you in some way or the other.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? Yeah, go ahead.
So I'm Rajul. I'm from
Mhm.
10th grade, and I had
Yeah.
a doubt that like we apply for as a co-president,
Mhm.
and by chance we didn't get selected for it. So will we
Yeah.
automatically made a volunteer, or do we need
Yes.
to apply for it again?
No. Once you apply for co-president, whoever will not be selected, you will be automatically made a volunteer. You don't have to do anything else. जिस position के लिए apply करना है उसके लिए करो, बाकी हम सारा संभाल लेंगे. Arnav, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for recognizing me. Actually, I filled the form and submitted it
Okay, that's awesome.
for the
Okay.
co-president.
Great, that is awesome. The deadline for the application form is Sunday, 13th June, 11:59 p.m. After that, we'll be announcing the results after judging all of the applications. Again, it is Sunday, the 13th of June. Okay. Anyone else who has doubts?
Yeah, I had a doubt like how you will judge it, on which basis?
आप एक बार एप्लीकेशन खोलोगे, आपको वहां पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस दिखेंगे जो हमने आपसे पूछे हैं. We'll be judging you on basis of all the questions that we've asked you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, please provide link.
Yeah, you will be provided all the links on your WhatsApp groups if you have. And
अभी हमने chat पे भी डाल दिया और
chat पे
फिर
भी डाल
WhatsApp
दिया,
groups पे भी आ जाएंगे.
And if you don't find it on any, you can go to SAFSAS की कोई भी social media platform, Instagram, Facebook. You will find. You can go to the website www.safsas.org. You will find all of the resources that you need.
हाँ,
Do
ये
you
सारा
have an
Discord, server
Instagram?
link, everything is there.
Do you have Instagram website?
Yes,
Yes,
we
yes,
have.
we do have Instagram.
We have all platforms, whichever platform you go to.
We also have a
Can you
LinkedIn
share the
profile. So
link of that?
if you're selected as a co-president or a volunteer, you can add it to your profile, and the shiny SAFSAS logo would be there.
Yes.
Can you share the Instagram link in the chat?
It's SAFSAS only. You can just type in SAFSAS. बाकी लिंक भी जो गाइस जो दिख रहा है ना, लिंक ट्री, वो वाला जो लिंक है उस पे क्लिक करो, उस पे सब कुछ, उस पे सारे लिंक्स इकट्ठे होते हैं.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone has any questions besides asking for the Discord server link or the SAFSAS website link or the Instagram link, can go ahead. Kyra, go ahead.
Yeah, I just wanted to confirm, after applying, when will the results come out, like who all have been selected for the co-president?
So the deadline is Sunday, and we'll be announcing the results in a few days after Sunday. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Rashi, go ahead.
Sir, Discord, what is Discord?
Discord WhatsApp है ना, जैसे आप बातें करते हो लोगों से, Discord पे भी हम बातें करते हैं, but Discord एक better platform है to talk to people, so we are having all of our community there. ठीक है?
पर सर किसी ने अपने क्रैक गेमर्स करके सर्वर का किया and I can't find the official one, तो आप वो भेज दोगे?
किस चीज की?
Discord सर्वर की लिंक, क्योंकि किसी ने क्रैक गेमर्स करके कोई सी सर्वर का लिंक भेजा हुआ है.
अच्छा, हम लोग आपको जो भी सारी लिंक्स होगी, नॉट टू वरी गाइस, डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर, इंस्टाग्राम, वेबसाइट, एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, सबकी लिंक्स आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेज दी जाएगी. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी किसी को, सबको मिल जाएगा जो जो चाहिए.
अच्छा, सबको जो लिंक मिलेगा सबको मिल जाएगा, सर्टिफिकेट डलवा सबको मिल जाएगा को-प्रेसिडेंट्स को. अब ये बताओ, लिंक के अलावा किसी को कोई डाउट्स हैं?
Yes, can you share the videos which you just screen share during this event so that we can get more info?
वीडियो जो हमने एक दिखाई थी वो हमारे SVIS के
Instagram पेज पे already है and school groups, class groups में भी already है. जो बाकी है, you can find them on YouTube. उसका link भी Akshay will share in the chat.
May I ask something?
Go ahead.
In this Google form that you've given us, there's a question that if we want you to see an article related, if we want you to see an environment article written by us, then we can share it with you. How are we supposed to attach that?
Okay.
Just
all
paste the
these
links.
doubts, and all these doubts pertaining to anything related to the application form, we will be taking through message. You can WhatsApp Arjun.
Yes, you
or
can
someone
WhatsApp
else.
any of these three people. We have Khushi Chalani, Yugam Puri, and Aryan Verma. If all those three can just open their camera, like turn on their cameras.
And how to
you
get
can
their
just DM
contact
me.
numbers, please?
Yes, just a
sorry?
second. Khushi Chalani, can you
You
guys see Khushi?
can just DM me on Instagram. I'll just
Yes.
Or else you can
my
even
phone
DM
number
Safsaz
here,
on
or
Instagram.
you can just DM me on Khushi.
Khushi, Yugam, and Aryan, please drop in your numbers. Khushi, if you can type them all out. Just drop in the
Doing
numbers
that.
because some children might not be using Instagram.
Kyra, you have
Yeah,
raised your
I'm
hand.
doing that. I forgot to lower it from before. I'm really
Okay,
sorry.
that's okay. Okay. So we'll be ending the meeting now in 2-3 minutes.
Actually, one thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi guys, all the links that you want are available on the Linktree and please visit the website. वहाँ पे आपको सब मिल जाएगा, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, सब कुछ है वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ जाएं और अगर आपको Discord का कोई गलत सर्वर का लिंक दे दिया है किसी ने तो we're really sorry. आपको वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा the official Discord link. वो मैंने अभी अपडेट किया है तो वो गलत नहीं है.
नहीं तो लिंक्स तो सारी आपको मिल जाएगी, डोंट वरी. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे मिल जाएगा, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. There's nothing to worry about. Okay. So like I was saying, we'll be ending in 2-3 minutes, and if you have any doubts, it's all right. हम लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं. We have a whole team behind us. We have your school people, Khushi, Yugam, and Aryan. So you can message any of them. You can message Arjun. You can message us on Instagram. Safsaz pe. We'll be in touch with you. So that's all right. कोई भी doubts आए तो. Okay. Again, the deadline is Sunday, the 13th of June. Uske baad, if you will be applying for co-president, we won't be looking at your application. So that's that. Keep in mind. ठीक है. So don't worry. Sit back and relax. आराम से application देखो पूरा खोल के. सारे पोस्ट में जाके एक बार देखो, वापस आ जाओ, देखो कौन सा पोस्ट सबसे अच्छा लगा, उसके लिए अप्लाई कर दो. There's nothing to worry about. Okay. Thank you guys. We will be ending the meeting now. It was very nice to have you all in the meeting, talk to you guys about Safsaz. I cannot wait to initiate Safsaz.svis. I think all of you will do amazing work, and thank you for staying with us for throughout the orientation. Okay, thank you.